Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Java in your Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 operating system. So let's get started. First of all, if you don't have Java and you want to check whether Java is already there in your system or not, there is a small little test you can do if Java is really present in your system or not. So what you need to do is you need to go to your start screen here and go at the bottom right and search for command prompt. So this is my command prompt. I will open it, and this is not what I wanted to open. Yeah, so this is a command prompt, and in here type Java C. Java C is command to compile Java programs, and if you enter Java C and press enter here, and if you see Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, then Java is probably not present in your system. Or you can even give a command Java, and if it doesn't run, then you know that Java is not present in your Windows operating system. So how you can download this Java in your Windows 8 or Windows 8.1? Just open your browser, and in the search just search for Java JDK download. Okay, and the first link you will find here is www.oracle.com/technetwork/java. So this is the link you need to click here, and this will open this website. Just agree and proceed, and in here there are versions for Java. So if you want, you can install Java with this NetBeans IDE. NetBeans IDE is a development platform. IDE is the short form for integrated development environment. So it's in Java program editor. If you want to install, you can install it, but for now I want to show you how you can install Java in your system, right? So you need to click this. At the time of making this video, the latest version for Java is Java 8. So this is, we are going to install Java 8 in our system. Okay, so just click this Java platform JDK and click this icon here for download, and we will reach to the download section. So here you will find Java SE Development Kit 8 download, and in here you will find the version for your Windows system. So if you have a 64-bit system, then you need to install this x86, or if you have 64-bit operating system, you need to install this. So I have 64-bit, so I will install x86. I will just click this link and I will click OK. So first of all, I need to accept the license condition, you see. So I will accept the license condition, and then I will be able to download this. So I will click this download link for Windows 64, and it will take around 1 minute to download, and once this download is complete, we will be ready to install Java JDK. So I will let this run and download, and once it's complete, I will show you how you can install Java. Okay, so once this download is complete, you are ready to install Java. I will just click this executable file which I have downloaded, and I will start the installation. And now the installation of Java JDK 8 has started. Just click next. Default tool, just click next. And the process is going on. So for developing a Java based program, you need to have Java in your operating system to compile the program related to Java. So that's why we need to install Java in our system. There are some applications which need to run on Java. That's why also we want to have Java in our operating system. So installing the class, preparing install, and you see there, this is the link where Java will be installed, c/program files/java, and it will also install JRE8 for you, which is Java runtime environment 8, which will help your programs to run on your machine. So click next. And saying 3 billion devices run Java. And I will let this process complete. And once this process is complete, you see you will be able to see this message: Java SE development kit update successfully installed. So now this Java 8 or JDK 8 is successfully installed in your system. Just close this window, and to check whether it's really installed in your system, you can go to this file explorer, and in here go to the C disk or local disk and go to program files, and in here you will be able to see this folder which is called Java. Okay, and there will be two folders inside here. One is JDK 1.8 depending upon the version of JDK, and second is JRE folder. And inside this JDK folder there is a bin, and you will be able to see Java C here. So this is what we want to compile our programs, and all the binary related to Java resides here. So what I'm going to do is I will just rename this folder JDK because it's a little bit big. So I will make it a little bit simple. Right click and rename, and I will just name it as JDK 8, right? So because it's JDK 8. Okay, now in order to use this on your or in order to use these binaries in your system, what you need to do is you need to set the environment variable in your Windows operating system. So how you can set environment variable in Windows operating system for Java? What you need to do is just once again go to your start screen and search for system, and you will see first link is system, and in here in the systems window you need to go to advanced system settings, and in here you need to go to environment variable to set the environment variables. So click this small button here, environment variable, and in the system variable section here, this is a system variable section, search for path. So search for this row called path and double click this row, and in here you need to give the path of the binary files for Java in order to recognize that Java is present in your system. Okay, so what you need to do is just go at very last of these lines. So I will go at the last. So in here at the last I will give the same semicolon, and I will give the path of the JDK files. So just put the semicolon, go and open the Java folder where you have installed Java, go to JDK 8 and binary, and just copy this path here. So I will copy this path from here and go to system once again, and in here you need to paste this path same, which is c:/program file/java/jdk8/bin. Okay, and now you can click OK, OK, and OK. Okay, so now you have set your environment variables. um, Now you are ready to run Java, or you have installed Java and set the environment variable for Java. Now to check once again that Java is really installed in your system, just open your command prompt once again, and once again check it with the command java c and press enter, and it's saying once again java c is not recognized. Let's see why. Maybe I forgot the slash here, so I need to give in the environment variable path, and after this bin, let me see what I need to do. So I don't think this slash is the problem here. It should be like this, but I think I need to reopen my command prompt because it was running the session was old for this command prompt, so I need to reopen this session once again, and then I will be good to go, I think. So I will reopen the command prompt once again, command prompt, and now I will type java c, and now you will be able to see different commands. You can see above, these are the different java c options to compile your java program. Generally you use java c command with the source file and options, so that if you want to compile your java program, you see you write java c and the source file name, and then it will be compiled. But there are some better ways to compile your program using some IDE, for example NetBeans or Eclipse. So in the later videos or in some other video, I will also show you how you can install Eclipse or NetBeans in your Windows 8 operating system. But now whenever you give java c and you see bunch of these commands, you know that Java is installed in your system, and you can compile your Java programs using this java c command. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.